Chris, got a little tire side chat, a quick one because I'm almost at my next stop. In terms of security for your computer, there's not, I've done a video on this before, but I guess, repetition is the foundation of knowledge. And so, it is really. There's not much more better. I can't even speak today. There's not many things more effective that you can do for the security of your computer than to install a custom hosts file that will block known malicious websites. That, by far, that is the best thing. It does many things. It has many effects. The two most important effects are, one, it really speeds up the loading of web pages because you will load up your normal web pages and you'll notice something is missing, and notice all the advertisements will be missing. And so that's great. So that's that much data you don't have to push. And of course, the security aspect of it is great as well because, these, like I said, these are known malicious websites. They're trying to get something from you. Most of them are just trying to spy on you a little bit. But some of them are domains that, hackers often use, to try to do worse things to you. And so, if you go to a website called mvps.org, they have a custom host file that is the best one I found. You download it, you right-click, save link as, download it to your desktop. It's zipped up. All you got to do is unzip it to your desktop, right-click on the MVPS file, run as administrator. You have to do that or it won't change the host file because that's a Windows system file. So the file, if you're going to change a file like that, it has to be run as an administrator, or replace a file like that, because you're replacing the stock host file, which doesn't say anything. It doesn't have any kind of restrictions at all. You can make a custom one if you want, but this is so much easier. And so you run that and it'll install it automatically. You don't have to reboot. You don't have to do anything. It immediately starts working. You restart your browser. You don't even have to restart your browser even. You can just reload the page and see the immediate difference. If websites that you like stop working, that is just an indication that you shouldn't have been going there in the first place because they're actively trying to spy on you. And so why would you want to go to a website like that? Most of the big websites, though, still works. I mean, YouTube, Gmail, whatever. All the big ones, Yahoo, they all still work. They might complain that you have a web blocker installed, and to which you promptly ignore that and don't worry about it because, they want you to come to their website and they're willing to put up with it. For now, anyway. At some point, somebody will start scanning for host files and then they won't let you on. I think Forbes does that. I think that's the only website I've run across yet that will not work if you have made any kind of, ad blocking modifications to your browser. But other than that, everything else works, and it just works a whole lot faster and it works a whole lot safer. If you don't want to go through all that stuff, if you're not sure about installing things, you're not sure about running things with administrator permissions or whatever, give us a call. Be happy to help you with it. I generally do it on every computer I clean up, and just warn people what to expect. But I have not had anybody call me back yet and say, "Please take this back off." So there you go. That's 5 years worth of doing it. So that's what I would recommend. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please do so in the section below. Like and subscribe. We appreciate it when you do, and we will see you on the next one.